Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing costreviews.com. So before we get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products daily, and my guide shows you the exact process and how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link below in the description for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, malware tips already exposed, costreviews.com, and with a $750 Costco gift card, which is basically too good to be true. Since not even Costco themselves give out this huge of a gift card, and basically you can just get it for free online, that is too good to be true and should be a red flag. So as you can see, malware tips goes over how the scam works. So the overview of the scam. So how the scam works is step 1, the scam ads promote costreviews.com. Cost reviews claims you can earn a gift card. Form collects personal information. You are redirected to shady websites and a lot more. Scammers profit, and then you get nothing. So please do not enter in any information in this website. And unfortunately, if you go to costreviews.com, the website is already taken down. So please do not go, or if you have something similar to this that pops up, please do not enter in any information, since $750 gift cards is too good to be true, and if they really did this, they would be out of money or bankrupt soon. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.